So, hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa, and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. By the title of the video, you already know what we are talking about. For my orange auras, welcome to the Inner Union Club. So, the first aura to achieve on my Divine channel. Yes. Oh my God, it's good news, celebrations, dude. We're gonna get into the video, and I'm gonna talk a lot about the inner union, the orange aura, and what exactly is the funda of orange aura to achieve this the quickest, and all the tips and tricks. I saved this for the last, even if I know where before how an orange aura works, because my mom is an orange aura. Yes. So yeah, so firstly, my lovelies, hurriest congratulations to my orange auras. Yes, you and your twin flame are in full sync. Yes, and like I say, not the physical union, but the inner union is the toughest. So once you achieve inner union, like you feel the closest. Yes, and you have this mad connection with your twin flame, and nothing can come in between you both. Yes, and slowly even the karmic starts distancing because she knows what the bond you both share. So inner union is this entangled. No matter you are with your soulmate, with a karmic or whatever, XYZ, no one can distract or destroy your union. Yes, you feel the closest to your twin flame when you achieve an inner union. So my orange auras, I congratulate you. Congratulations and celebrations. Na 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 na. See, actually, I know that a month before itself. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna tell, and this is a language only orange auras are going to understand. What exactly are the changes you notice. I'm gonna give you tips and tricks with a language which only we both will now understand. Yes, it is very important you reach this point to actually figure out what is twin flame journey, what is this half soul concept, what is the male version, what is the female version, what is this Lord Shiva, what is this Parvati, all this. It's like till now your eyes were closed, now that it has wide opened. Yes, so I'm gonna tell tips and tricks of how now you can move to the next step, and this is a language that only you would understand after watching this video. Yes, so firstly, I know a month back itself that you guys achieved, and all the orange auras that I know, I told them personally, and this video shall reach whoever it is meant to. Yes, so firstly, what are the plus points of an orange aura, because this is the first aura that has achieved on my channel. And there was a video that a series of aura colors that I was making about, and the only video that I made was for orange. See, generally I feel like people more than return connect to me, for my face. Like my face has a lot of value when I come and speak. That is why my videos are very, I make a video only when I come and speak in it. Yes, so what exactly is orange aura? Yes, so orange aura, let me put it in the simplest words. For example, I say gold aura is sunrise, the sunset is the orange aura. Yes, so the next aura apart from gold is that understand things and grasp quicker, and all of that is orange aura. Okay, so how do you become a divine feminine and orange aura? When you have a very strong Mars placement or a fire sign. Yes, so if you're orange aura, obviously you're representing a fire, right? Yes, like I said, sunrise is gold aura, so sunset version is the orange aura. Stick along with me, I'm gonna tell you. Yes, so this is very important because when any divine masculine, I believe in and trust in the universe, wants to know about their divine feminine who is an orange aura, would be dragged here to figure out how is the divine feminine. Yes, so that's why I make these videos, even if it is for a smaller subset as of now. We don't know 2 years from now, 5 years from now. Yes, so how do you become an orange aura? So when you have a very strong fire placement, a fire sign, yes, so maximum orange aura I see either will be a Aries, or a Sagittarius, something that has a lot of fire in it. Yes. Scorpio, the combination is less because it represents a water sign. Okay. So I have seen, for example, my mom is a Sagittarius. Yes. So, it has that power of Jupiter. Orange aura is the most intelligent aura. They understand spiritual concepts, everything. Like, it's like cakewalk. It's like they just, you know, um, rotating the pages and it somehow sits in their head. Yes, like I say, if I have, like, for example, I am a manager and I need to have a deputy, I would appoint an orange aura. Because after gold, someone that can grasp very soon is the orange aura. Orange aura are known for their mind. Because here in this color, Mercury works the sharpest. Yes. So that is why orange, has a little bit of sun. It has a little bit of Mercury. Okay. So if you are a divine feminine and you're wondering what your divine masculine loves about you, it's your mind. The way you think, the way you have, they are very career driven. Like, I say mind very strongly because my mom is a psychologist. Dude, my mom studied psychology when it was just introduced in India. My mom was a very few students, the top 10 students who passed out. She studies people very well. So yes, so this is a power of an orange aura. Yes. So yeah. So your person is very strongly attracted to your mind. Yes. So, if you're wondering, if your person, like, such people need to, write books or, write something or open their own or, pursue like my mom's psychology, something to do with mind, dude. If they are at a right age and I figure out their orange aura, I put them into neurology, I put them into, studying neuroscience and all of that. Something to do with mind, because there is a lot of, like, I feel like orange is a aura that is blessing from every planet, all the 9 planets. Yes, it has the sharp, like a cunning mind like a Rahu. Yes, and like a hypnotist mind like a Rahu, the Mercury intelligence, the Jupiter stability, everything. Somehow orange has mastered to, from the flaws of all the other auras. Yes. And coming to how is the relationship with gold. Yes, I, in fact, feel, proud and emotional to say this. Orange aura respect the gold aura the most. Yes, they have a deep connection. They understand the gold aura. They, treat like a guru. You know why I'm saying this? Because every orange aura that I know, yes, they have this book and pen system. Like, what is, my guru? They consider, it's very tough to be a guru of orange aura. Let me tell you, they are very intelligent. They will not worship, if you are a in Telugu we have a dialogue called as Allah Tappa Gongura. Means, someone who's like fika. So if someone was like, dhila, they will not worship them. Yes, it's very tough to get the attention of an orange aura. Orange aura is like, it knows the quality of everything, the people and everything. So, they are this book and pen system people. Okay, so Deepa has said this. They're just that systematical, that logical. They follow it, they understand it. Yes, they listen. They're very good listeners. Yes, and let me tell you, when I tell any choice, for example, for the orange auras that consult me, there was this case wherein, one of my favorite DF had to join another university, but because I said she joined another university, and that blind trust, yes, she joined this university, and oh my God, that's where she met her soulmate. I was so sure that she has to go this way. It is that trust that, this person, Deepa, the gold aura, my guru, has put me in this direction. It is that blind faith. And let me tell you, in other auras, I have seen the judgmental thing. Be it green aura, be it purple aura, be it red aura, anything, a little bit of judgment. But orange aura have this mad worship towards. So yeah, so they have this mad, respect towards, gold aura. So yeah, so they learn and they study and they observe, and they have this mind blowing concentration, and they don't let any other aura distort their, confidence, or their sharp vision. No wonder, it is the first aura that has achieved inner union on my channel. Like I say, my channel is my baby. So for me, an orange aura, like I was sure, how these people work. They have no jealousy toward other auras, and they're somebody that, have a straight line vision. They are like a king or a queen that knows which path to take. They know what is right, what is wrong. They have all this. Yeah, they're blessed with this all qualities. Yes, a little bit where they need to work are the two things, yes, which I'm going to tell you, because you're, towards the path of the next step is, your ego and your emotional. So in orange aura, the one thing that I don't see the most is the emotional, aspect. They are not so emotional. In fact, on all the auras, the aura that is very least emotional is the orange aura. Yes. So you have achieved this so far, but now you have to form a deeper connection with your twin flame. Yes, achieve a karmic victory. So here you have to emotionally now understand your twin flame the most. So after, it is like a lock. So now with inner union, you have formed this lock. So now you're connected to your twin flame, but you have to, like, it's like a DNA mix. There is this pass of energy. You have to understand your twin flame. Now you have to understand each other. So the emotional aspect and helping others aspect, this is where, extra 20-30 points gold aura wins. Yeah, so now I don't consider any aura number 1, number 2, nothing. I feel like if you're in this, God has chosen you to fight your insecurities and all, march forward. So now you need to work on your two things is, your ego aspect. In all the auras, the highest ego is in orange. So if your DM is an orange aura, he has the highest ego of all the auras. Yes, and the aura that has the least in the DM is a blue aura, least ego. Yes, so this next, your emotional connection. So now you have logically mastered, your inner union. You have understood your twin flame like a friend. Yes, they have the best friendship. Orange aura have the best friendship with all the auras. They have the best friendship with their DM. Yes, now it is time to, connect emotionally. Feel each other, like feel. What is the feel aspect comes here. And always remember, inner union, when you have achieved it, God gives the timeline, Saturn gives the timeline for you to, master everything, form a deeper connection. Yes, now you have formed the connection, but a deeper connection. Let me tell you, you cannot fool a orange aura. Orange aura are very intelligent, extremely intelligent. In fact, one of the most intelligent auras. Yes, so if you want, to learn from an orange aura, learn what these orange aura, I feel like, are the least talkers. They will not tell you what they are doing, what is going on. They don't reveal their plans. Yes, so it's more of like, but they trust the gold aura the most. I feel lucky. So yeah, so now you understand Deepa's language. You understand every video. Let me tell you, yes, orange aura is the one that follows my videos the most. They watch in secrecy when you don't know. Yes, I know how orange aura works. Yes, so they watch, they observe. They're the silent observers. They're like a lion that sit and don't prey on every animal, only hunt when they are hungry. Like, it's like that. It's a very, very, I would love to research and write on an orange aura, because this aura is fun. Yes, it because it's not so emotional. It feels nice to write and feel, they have this, how do I put it, this bubbly side. Yes, and it's out of emotion, like there is no emotion. You can genuinely have fun with an orange aura. Yes, so now, because you have mastered inner union, I feel so proud. Yes, so an inner, a gold aura and a orange aura have a respect for each other. Yes, because they have this intellectual power, right? Yes. So orange aura actually studies and learns from a gold aura. Yes, many people don't know this, but I know this. Yes, so they watch in secrecy. So if somebody would tell that I watched Deepa's video, yes, but an orange aura will not tell you that, when in the last night they have seen Deepa's video but understood what she's trying to tell and keep it in them. This is their secrecy, or this is their success funda. Yes. So when somebody is talking, they just sit silent, because silence does not mean yes, I've watched it. It also does not mean no, I've not watched it. Silence has a maybe answer. Yes. So it's that. You know why I'm telling this specifically? Because I know how orange aura have the connection with the gold aura. Yes. So yes, because orange aura does not have a jealousy aspect. They are your best cheerleaders. They, if you achieve any success, they shower love on you. They clap for you. These people are massive truth seekers, absolutely blunt. You know why I'm telling these qualities? Is because this is the first aura that has achieved on my channel, and I'm with this video telling you what good qualities that this aura has with, to the other auras. Yes, these people don't care if you did first, you did second, they don't care. They want their home to look the best, their life to be the best. They are very and I don't think it is not against selfish, let me tell you. If someone knocks on their door and asks for help, they are there. Yes, yeah, that is why now the 2-3 things that they need to work on is the helping aspect. Yes, and now let me tell you, orange aura also catch evil eye the quickest. Yes, because their success rate is very high. Yeah, so protect yourself from evil eye. The number one remedy that I would like to give you is wear your rose quartz. Yeah, because now you're in a connection with your twin flame. So that rose quartz helps, it gives that Venus power to deepen the connection. Yes, so please wear your rose quartz, any orange aura. This is my tip that I would like to give you. Yes, so work on your emotional connection, let in the love. Yes, keep your little bit Sagittarius aspect little bit down. Yeah, so yeah, let the love come in. Okay, so congratulations. Yes, so in every video I give the energy update, no matter the title, no matter my inner union for my orange auras. Today, because I'm feeling super happy for my inner union, the orange auras, I'm gonna use my favorite deck, the Muse Tarot. Okay, so orange aura is the aura that in secrecy watches what all I'm doing, and what a gold aura is doing, what is their success funda, because they know the Deepa is speaking the truth, and I'm hearing Deepa is right. Maybe you said some people. Yes, so these people have this mad respect and worship towards gold auras. I had to tell this. Yes, I would not tell this for other auras, but I would tell this for orange aura, because they love and respect what a gold aura does. I also have that thing for red aura, but 5 points more I'll give it to gold, the orange aura, because they have this mad respect for the gold aura. Yes, they know that she is speaking the truth. Yes, so yeah, so in secrecy they will listen to you, but they will not let their mind affect. For example, someone is talking bad about me, orange aura is that sharp aura that will just say, oh okay, yeah, but in depth they know that what is my real connection, or what I am trying to say, or why am I behaving this way. Yes, if I have to tell, because now we are also talking about inner union. Yes, if your DM is a blue aura like mine, you would have the same effect, power like I have on my DM. Yes, because blue and gold, like I feel like orange. So if my DM, yes, V has blue aura, has somebody in his life orange aura, he would definitely feel the closest to him. Yes, so yeah, little bit orange aura have that sense of humor, comedy angle. Yes, because it's a very light aura. Yes, so yeah, so yes, so let me tell you why I'm telling this. Orange aura have a very strong opinion. Yes, So someone that with a lot of opinion, they know what are these people doing, you know. For example, let's come to my mother. Yes, my mom, because you know, my dad was a white aura. Yes, I'm also going to come on the auras, and then we're going to go into the Muse tarot. Yes, so for example, my mom has very strong opinion on people, and because of the karmic history my mom has with Delhi people, my mom does not like Delhi people. Yes, I am sorry if any Delhi people are watching this, but this is how Orange Aura works. They have a very strong opinion. They don't like something, they don't like something. If they like something, they don't. They're very rigid, not open to change. Yeah, that is why the number 555 comes for an Orange Aura. So if you're seeing a 555, that is universe asking you to let go of your rigidity. I made a video, let go of your rigidity. Yes, this is applicable for my Orange Auras. Be open to change. Yes, so for example, let me tell you, I and my sister, if we had any friends from Delhi, because obviously we will. Yes, because I feel like even if I'm a South Indian, yes, because of my little bit mixed culture, I have all friends from all cultures, and I'm very friendly like that. Yes, but my mom, if someone from Delhi comes in our life, has a third eye open. Yeah, she observes these people. Are they harming? Are they harming my children? Are they having ill intentions? And it turns out, always she wins in this. Something or other these people do, and they break her trust. Yeah, and again she ensures that we cut them off. Yes, so yeah, so Delhi people will ban my channel, but that's how an Orange Aura works. Something fishy these people do, which is not cool. Yes, it's absolutely not cool. And when you logically think, the Orange Aura is right. Yes, and we ensure that we cut off. So like this, Orange Aura has a very strong opinion. Yes, so yeah, so like this, I don't know, put it in your story. Yes, so Orange Aura have the very strong opinion. Yes, so this is me through this video telling you that if you have any strong opinion about your twin flame, your DM, it is time to change it, my divine feminine. See, here I'm very strongly tapping into divine feminine, the Orange Aura. Yes, it can be that I'm also speaking about a divine masculine, the Orange Aura. Yes, now because we are talking about opinions, yes, so like this opinions, even a gold aura does not have, dude. I'm the least judgmental. Yes, I give, I leave all the children, jo karna hai kar lo. So it's like that. Yes, so yeah, so for gold aura, the fear, she will beat us, she will scold us when I'm actually not doing anything. The fear, the light causes that fear. Yes, so yeah, so orange, it is, the opinions are very strong. Yes, so if I have to make a list, this Orange Aura, if I have a discussion with Orange Aura, they will discuss this. The aura that they hate or dislike the most is a purple aura, because a purple aura represents an anti-empress energy. Yes, and an Orange Aura is a very opinionated aura. Yes, you will never see a fashion designer making purple and orange combination clothing. You will hardly see it. Yeah, so yes, you will never see a designer making a purple or a orange clothing. That is very rare. The combination is very rare. See, purple is a color that sits with either a white or either yellow or either a black. So this, or a pink. Yes, you will never see a designer making purple and orange clothing. Yeah, so it's how a contrast works. Yes, so a black and gold combination is less. For the black and gold to look good, you put a white to make it black, white, gold. So there is this simple funda of the color schemes. Yes, Orange Aura does not like the anti-empress energy of a purple aura. Yes, they get irritated, but they will not tell you on the face. But because here now we are talking about a aura that has achieved inner union, now you will like sharp. Now your mouth is going to get sharp. Yes, so yeah, so because you will not like the qualities that a purple aura is representing, this anti empress qualities of jealousy, of talking, of gossiping, all this now will hit. And the most triggered aura of all the auras is a orange aura. Yeah, I feel like, if some lessons are need to be taken to this purple energy, the best aura is the orange aura. They will give blastings like fart, fart, fart. Yeah, so yeah. The next aura that they don't like is a white aura. Yeah, so in divine masculine, so if your divine masculine is a white aura, like in my mom's case, like my dad was a divine masculine. Dude, my dad was an astrologer, etc., etc., etc. But the qualities, they can fine tune it. Orange aura knows how to fine tune people's auras. Yes. Okay, let me tell you how orange and gold works and why these people have achieved, the quickest. See, this is not a race, but I believe that, for example, if someone is getting 100 out of 100 and someone is getting 95 out of 100, it makes you, it's common sense, right? You would go and ask the 100 out of 100, how did you solve this problem? Yeah. So I'm just telling the funda, like how, if you want to talk about love, you have to ask a water sign. If you want to talk about, stability, you go and ask a earth sign. If you want to talk about, how you can be logical, you go and ask an air sign. Yes, if you want, action, you want to achieve goals, you want to be that zeal, career driven, you go and ask a fire sign. So I believe that, for example, in a room, you put, a orange aura and a gold aura, and these both sit and talk, which is a very, I'll tell you, orange and gold are not much talkers. They will not sit and talk and, talk shit about others much. They'll just say, yeah, she did this, okay, bye. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, we don't sit and write poems or about all this, like what somebody has done, why they did this, what they did this, who did this, why, all this analysis, yeah, we don't do. Yes, if now, because I made another video wherein I said that a green aura is in the last karmic cycle before the inner union. I'll tell you what is the flaw here. And I'm telling this because inner union you're about to achieve. Who knows? By then somebody else will achieve sexual union and inner union. See, it's all, I just follow what the energy is. Okay? So now if a gold and a orange sit, yes, and a green is here, the green is, sit with, sit east and pray 24 hours, all this. So yeah, so, some concepts which green aura tell does not sit in our head. I'm telling from the perspective of a gold and a orange aura. Yes, green aura are very good in identifying the karmic, its flaws, it's all that excellent. But why there is a flaw in, for example, why are we doing this journey? Not to master karmic. We are doing this journey to have the deepest bond with your person, with your male part, with your female part. This is the purpose. Yes, where a green aura fails in identifying this purpose. Yes, this purpose of this connection, having this deepest connection with your person. This is the objective here. This is where they click. The orange and the gold. Yes, like I say, my deputy, if I have to give my deputy position, I would give to an orange aura. Yes, this is where they click because what is my goal here? If I have the deepest connection with my twin flame, I don't care there are 1 lakh karmics. Yeah, if your person is right, if your person is in the right energy, if your person, this is the funda. So why I'm telling in this video, I saved to tell in this video, this is the goal. This is the goal. Yeah, where if you have a deepest connection with your person, who is the karmic, which karmic cycle you are, you achieved a karmic victory or no, you are with your soulmate, it does not matter. This is where the green aura need to work. Yes, it's very good if you're sitting 24 hours sitting, near a lamp. Very good. But that is not the only. So yeah, so green auras feel that if they're sitting near a lamp, near God 24 hours example, this is the purest form. Yes, if gold and orange achieved it through different, yes, it's like, let me tell you, it is the story of Kartikeya and Ganesh. Kartikeya takes this race that, he wrote, who covers the world, the universe the quickest. But Ganesh is someone that, goes around his parents, Lord Shiva and Parvati. And Kartikeya sees him near every universe. When, there was this race. Yes, that's how the Ganesh Chaturthi, all of that came. Yes. So, Kartikeya is not wrong who took his peacock and, went for the race. And Ganesh is not wrong who chose that my parents are my entire universe, so I'm gonna, revolve around them. So, nothing is right, nothing is wrong. You win by devotion, you win by fighting, or you win by, with logic. Yes. See, actually, Lord Shiva and Parvati itself are the entire universe. So if I just rotate around them, it's fine. So this is where the gold and orange click. I'm not even putting red in this. Yes, in these two auras where they click. I'm going to tell when red aura achieves. I'm going to tell every aura what are their plus and what they need to work on. Because I was waiting for this moment, which is the first aura that's going to achieve sexual union, which is the first aura that's going to achieve inner union. I'm going to talk about you in this. Yes. So this is the place to speak about. So gold and orange win in this. Logic, smart work. No hard work, smart work. Yes. So what are the qualities of, what you need to have? You need to be a sacred divine feminine. Yes. So yeah, so I'm not stupid. I made a sacred divine feminine video. I knew that I need to pinpoint these girls to show what are the qualities of a sacred divine feminine. You don't put others down, you help, etc., etc. Go watch the video. Okay. So this is where the orange and gold click, because a green is the most judgmental aura. Like I say, the orange is the most egoistic aura and the most opinionated aura. The green is the most judgmental aura that feels that this path that they're going is wrong, but the path that they're going is right. This is where they need to work on to achieve the inner union. Okay, you're very good with identifying karmics, etc., etc. But in this, no. So this is not the quality of sacred divine feminine. This is where you need to work for achieving the inner union. Yes. So now, what are the DM? For example, your DM is, yellow. Or, I see that whenever there is orange, because it's a very wild, aura, it is given a softer aura, white. Yes. You will hardly see in very few scenario where DM and DF are orange and red. It's a rare combination. Yes. So, right, that is a rare combo. I'm going to tell that in another video. Okay. And if they are white or they are yellow, yes, or they are pink, very less scenario. I never get a divine masculine as pink aura. So yes, it will be any of these two, three auras, or a blue aura. Yes, they are very lucky. They can fine tune and cash their DM loves them. I feel like orange has the best tuning with orange, with blue. So if like blue and gold aura, orange and blue aura are the best combination. Yes. So that's all about orange aura. So yeah. So finally, I have the space and time, and I took time to announce this. It's already a month that you have achieved it, but I took time because I had to tell all this. Yes. So congratulations. Yes, celebrate this moment and form a deeper connection. Please wear your rose quartz. Yes, you can also buy a rose quartz tree and keep it near you. Yes, near where you sleep. Yes, near your bedside table. Yes. So I'm gonna take my Muse Tarot. So let's see what's the energy. Obviously, I give a 1-2 energy. You watch till the end, right? My other auras. Yes. Oh my God, I see a King of Sword, Chariot. Yeah, I feel like your divine masculine is stalking you. That's the first energy which I feel. Oh my God, again a Chariot. Yeah. So your divine masculine is stalking you vigorously. I feel like checking out what you're up to. 6 of Sword. He is looking out on how he can restart, reset. To me, this combination is like restart, reset. Something that has halted, again starting back. Yeah. So that comes awakening. Okay. So we have the Judgment. So something that was I'm tapping here into a divine masculine that knows that there was a flaw, there was a mistake from his side. Yes. So irrespective of your achieved sexual union, inner union, and all of that, this thought process, yeah, is there. Yes. Okay. So we have two of wands. I'll tell you, I am feeling to pick cards in a hurry. I feel like your person wants to desperately talk to you in rush, in a hurry. Yes, yeah, page of, pentacles, which talks about stalking. Yes, I'm getting a lot of stalking energy today. Yes, no wonder. Yes, because we are in the month of April. Yes, and we are in Aries season. We are in the reset. We are in the restart. And right now in the zodiac belt, all the planets are with Rahu Ketu. That's why you have so much earthquakes. So yeah, so I'm getting a lot of stalking energy. Today it's very strong in the zodiac belt. And like I said, all planets are with Rahu Ketu. That is why you're seeing a lot of natural calamities. And this is going to continue all the way till June, sadly. Because, June, is when Mars is going to come out of the debilitation position, and May 31st, Venus is going to change into Aries. And all of that, we have a restart from Aries season. We have begun the Aries season. We are in the Aries season. Yes. So, yeah, I'm feeling two colors very specifically, the green and the purple. Yes. Because there is a dress in front of me that is with that combination. Yes. So, yeah, something to do with that. Yeah. Okay. So, we have a 7 of wands. Oh my God. I'll tell you one more thing which I forgot to tell you. After you achieve inner union, let me tell you, you and your DM, yes, my orange auras fall a lot sick during that period. Because you are, this is like, new DNA. This is a specific power that comes to you after you achieve inner union. So there are these changes in your physical body. Yes. So that time, a lot of changes happen. Okay. So I had to tell that to my inner, my inner union, my orange aura folks. See, I told you, you are like the sunset. Okay. So what do we have? 9 of Pentacles. So I'm seeing a lot of material gain for the divine feminine. Yes. Temperance. I'm feeling, to stop even before I started. I feel like for some of you, there was a very short conversation with your divine family, divine masculine. Yeah. It started and it stopped suddenly. Yeah. So that sudden stop, I feel like is going to restart. I'm hearing the date April 14 very strongly. So yeah, something is happening in the April 14. There is a reset. Yeah. So that is a full energy. I wanted to pick more cards, dude. So yeah, I'm hearing the date April 14. There is definitely a new energy. Yes. For my other folks, for my other divine feminines. Yes. From your divine masculine side. For some of you, I'm seeing that because this is followed by Page of Pentacles and all of this. For some of you, your divine masculine is stalking you with a fake ID. Because the Fool to me talks about a new account. Yes. So, yeah, I get that energy. Even before I started, I stopped, dude. So, stay tuned with me. This video was all about orange aura, but I tried my best to give you a tip or a two. Yes. So, I'm not using my LG today. Yes. My LG stand by me because we're gonna do that in the next video. Yes, anyway, it's not here. I'm watching a movie. I'm watching Jailer. I'm watching Jailer in Amazon Prime. Yes, I completed Game Changer. Yes, sadly I didn't get the time to watch these in theater. Yes, so I'm watching that right now. And in Netflix, I'm watching Unicorn Academy. The 3rd season is here. It's a kids show, but I love it. Yes, so yeah. So in that, if I have to tell who represents orange aura, that is Eva. The character Eva is like orange aura. Yes. So yes, my lovelies. So keep watching my videos, orange aura. Yes. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. No wonder. So even if your divine masculine is an orange aura or a divine feminine that's orange aura, they observe the gold the most. Yes. And they study and learn because they like. I feel like, orange aura like people who are intelligent and you can give them, all the concepts and all of that. Yes. So, yes, my lovelies, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye, guys.